1, 2, 3.
See you on the flip side.
Oh, it's moving day.
Oh, you didn't say that.
1, 2, 3.
It's moving day.
Well, okay, so it's kind of a crazy situation, but basically we've got things in like 3 places. So our movers are meeting us at the first place, and then they're coming here, and then they're going to the storage unit, all to then end up at our house and our workshop, so that we can kind of lessen the strain on ourselves. There's a lot of heavy furniture, obviously, mostly at the storage unit, but there are a couple of things here and at the other location that are just humongous and heavy.
We've carried it enough.
Yeah. We are just kind of getting some final touches going here, such as just getting the main things that they're taking into one location so that there's no confusion and so that we can speed the process up as much as possible, because we're paying by the hour, so we gotta get that going as fast as possible. So that's kind of what we're doing this morning.
It's early, very early. There's not enough caffeine in the world that could fix that right now.
Going to the storage units before the movers get there. I'm gonna be wrapping some of the furniture so that the drawers don't fly out. You know the drill. We've had that happen a couple of times, but that's what I'm going to do.
And then I'm going to my mom's to location number 1 to meet up with the movers to grab our
Bed.
king bed. We've missed oh so much.
Easy on these legs are...
They done did it.
Oh, you gotta get back there. You gotta get up in there.
Look at that. That is...
Nick and Patrick, 2-minute truck. Let us know if you need us.
You heard the man.
Woo, doggy! That's a good one right there.
Alright, let's get home.
gosh. Well, we thought it was going to take like 8.5 hours, but here it is 2 o'clock only. So that only took us 6 hours. We made 2 trips back to here, and we got a big, huge bulk of the furniture. The only thing that we've got left in the storage units is some chairs and my teaching stuff. So that is something that Neiman and I can definitely handle. We've actually found out last night that our truck can hold 6 chairs at a time, so that'll make a little bit of a dent. Back here is where we're gonna be storing all of the furniture that is unfinished. I'm still unsure. I don't really like it out like that, but we might maybe put like a canopy back here and block that off or something. We'll see. But yeah, that's pretty much full, and what a day. It's hot, and we helped the movers along as much as possible to cut down on that time. I think we're ready for some AC.
What?
Wah, 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 wah.
Broken.
You gotta take that one back.
Yeah. I don't know if we have to take the whole thing back or just one plate. I think we take the whole thing back.
Yep, I think so too.
Duh! I gotta pack it all back up. Dang it. First meal in the house. Getting some broccoli cooked up, some chicken, some sweet potatoes, some salad. Cooking it up in here for our very first meal of our new home, and we are so excited.
We got the tunes going over here in the library. We got Laura chefing it up. Look at that. Uh-huh.
Time to start being healthy. You're so weird. What are you doing?
While Laura finishes cooking, I'm gonna get back to comments. It is Thursday, cooking our first meal, posted the next video, the newest video, and we're gonna, once dinner is done, head outside. It is a beautiful, like 70-degree night, and we're gonna have our first dinner on our new porch.
our dishes, I was opening them, like you saw, maybe, if you keep that in the video. So, I was opening our dishes, and basically what happened was one of the little plates was broke, and so we took it back to Target, but neither Target that's close to us had that set that we wanted, so they ended up ordering it for us, and it's coming to our house Saturday, so the day this video launches. But I saw these there, and they was like supplemental dishes. So this is the color of our dishes. This is not a plate or a bowl, it's like a bowl plate. This is a plate. This is a bowl plate. Comment down below, let me know what you think this is. Is it a bowl? Is it a plate? A plate?
FFT Blates.
Plate? Or bowling? Or a pool?
Cut. Guys, look at this first meal. Holy moly, baby. Let me try to show you without letting it fall out of the plate. Bowl.
It's a plate.
The plate. Look at that. We have chicken, sweet potatoes, and some broccoli. My absolute favorite. Well, this wraps up this video.
Yep, we're excited to continue bringing you guys along on this side of our life. It has been a lot more crazy than I expected this past week. The whole weekend, again, you saw we were just moving. So now I think things will kind of slow back to normal for the most part. But we've still got a lot of stuff to put back together in the house and in the workshop both. So I don't know, I think it was a good week. I'm so thankful for the guys from 2 Men in a Truck, Nick and Patrick. Like, they saved us time, they saved our backs, they saved our sanity, our muscles, literally everything possible. They saved it from helping us and pretty much doing it all, moving the furniture, especially from the storage units to our new warehouse here. That was a huge weight lifted off of our shoulders. It took 6 hours in total, but you know, that was like the best 6 hours spent.
Yeah, it did not get to the point of being miserable. They were good, fun guys, so the entire time they had good attitudes about it. And we set a record for them. That was the most furniture they had ever moved in a single day in a single customer's job. So yeah, they'll always remember us in FFT.
Yeah. So
shout out to those two. We'll post a photo right here. They deserve some cred. Thanks, guys. We just are thankful for you guys following along, getting us here to this point, allowing her to be herself through this whole process, and allowing her to grow, allowing FFT to grow, and pushing us and motivating us, and just having love for us. It's been a fun journey. I'm so happy that we're here, and we have so much to go, so many more places to go, so many more things to do together and with you guys. So thank you. Monday
is our first flip in the new workshop, so be sure to get subscribed because we'll be flipping in the workshop. It's going to be a good one, you guys. The piece turned out great, but then also just that new environment of the workshop. You know, we're still feeling it out, but we've got some kinks to work out, but overall it was a great day and a great flip.
I think for not having done much to the set and anything like that, like the lighting in there, just how it is really good.
just cleaned really and added those shelves, and that honestly like made it 10 times better than it was.
But there's much more to come.
Yes, for sure.
Much more to come, and I'm so excited. And every night I go in there almost, and I just envision what we want to do and what we're gonna do in there.
There's totally not enough time in the day or days or weeks or months or years of the things that we want to get done. We've got so many ideas and so many plans that we're so excited to share with you guys. We're bringing you right along the journey.
Day by day, we'll keep it going.
Yep.
Go Suns.
All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Follow us on Instagram. We're constantly updating that with our stories of what we're doing daily. So be sure to head over there. But other than that,
see you on the flip side.
Heading to the shop this morning. My first day working in the shop, flipping in the shop. No more garage. Got a big garage now.
It's a little foggy out, a little rainy, a little weathery, but no more do we have to worry about that because the workshop is here. It feels great, and here we are already at the workshop. Our first inaugural walk. How does it feel?
Feels great, short, sweet. I'm already at work.
This is absolutely amazing. So grateful.
Here it is.